In this video, we're going to discuss about the properties of infinite limits. So, let's say meron tayong real number c. Then kapag inad natin siya sa positive or negative infinity, the answer will be positive or negative infinity. Kapag naman yung real number c minus positive infinity, the answer will be negative infinity. But c minus negative infinity, magiging minus negative lang yan, kaya magiging positive infinity. Okay, so magbabago yung sign. Now, kapag inad natin yung dalawang positive infinities, syempre ang sagot ay positive infinity. Kapag yung positive infinity minus negative infinity, that will be positive infinity. Negative infinity minus positive infinity, that will be negative infinity. Now, let's say yung c is a non-zero number. So, meron tayong dalawang cases dyan. It's either c is positive or c is negative. Kapag positive yung c, then minultiply natin sa positive or negative infinity, then the answer will be positive or negative infinity. Ibig sabihin yan, c times positive infinity, positive infinity. C times negative infinity, negative infinity. Pero kapag yung c natin ay negative, tapos minultiply natin sa positive or negative infinity, mababago yung sign. So, c times positive infinity, magiging negative infinity na. Kapag c times negative infinity, magiging positive infinity na. So, in short, parang sinusunod lang din natin ang rules ng arithmetic. Okay? So, negative times negative, positive. Negative times positive, magiging negative. Okay? So, same dito. For example, number 1, kunin natin yung limit ng 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2 as x approaches 2 from the right. Okay? So by property of limits, i-distribute natin yan, magiging limit of 1 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2 from the right plus limit of 1 over x plus 2 as x approaches 2 from the right. Okay? So, this will be equal to, so eto, 2 minus 2, magiging 1 over 0 na siya. Okay? So, 1 over 0. But the question is, true positive values ba yan o true negative values? So, since from the right yan, ang pinag-uusapan nating values ng x dito ay mga values na greater than 2, then values na greater than 2 minus 2, so that will be always positive. So, ibig sabihin, this will be 0 true positive values. Plus 1 over 2 plus 2, that will be 4. Then 1 over 0, since positive in numerator, tapos 0 true positive values, so this will be positive infinity. Okay, so na-discuss ko na yan, yung theorem na yan sa nakaraan nating lesson. So positive infinity plus 1 over 4. Tapos ito yung diniscuss ko kanina na property ng infinite limits. So positive infinity plus constant, that will be positive infinity. For number 2, let's find the limit of 5 times x plus 4 over x minus 3 squared, quantity squared, times x minus 4 as x approaches 3. Okay? So, this will be equal to, so by property of limit, pwede natin paghiwalayin yan. So, kunin natin yung limit ng 5 over x minus 3 quantity squared as x approaches 3 times limit of x plus 4 over x minus 4 as x approaches 3. Okay? So, dito, magiging ano siya, 3 minus 3, 0. Since naka-squared siya, so automatic, 5 over 0 na positive, so magiging positive infinity. 5 over 0, that will be positive infinity. Kasi palaging positive yung loob niyan, kasi naka-squared. Times, positive infinity times, i-substitute natin yung 3 dito, so this will be 7 over 3 minus 4, that is negative 1. So 7 over negative 1, that will be negative 7. So, positive infinity times negative 7, that will be negative infinity. For number 3, find the limit of x squared minus 2 over x minus 1 as x approaches 1 from the left. Okay? So, i-distribute natin, that will be limit of x squared as x approaches 1 from the left minus limit of 2 over x minus 1 as x approaches 1 from the left. So, this will be, eto magiging 1 na lang yan kasi naka-squared naman. So, positive 1 yan. Minus 2 over 1 minus 1, that will be 0. But since yung 1 ay from the left, so yung mga mas mababa sa 1, yung values ng x dito. So, yung mga mas mababa sa 1 minus 1, that will be always negative. Okay, so therefore, yung 0 na to ay true negative values. Okay, so that will be 1 minus 2 over 0 true negative values. So, eto magiging negative infinity kasi positive, tapos true negative values. So, katulad nga sa diniscuss ko sa nakaraang theorem, so this will be negative infinity. Negative infinity. And this will be 1 plus infinity. 1 plus infinity, this will be equal to positive infinity.